Welcome to my channel. If you like super short, super fast, to the point videos, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. We're going to be bringing you a bunch. Peace out. We are going to go through StreamLabs OBS today and teach you guys a little bit about what I do when I stream and how you guys can set up your own stream from StreamLabs OBS. StreamLabs OBS is a PC product. You have to do it through PC, but that doesn't mean that you can't capture things from your PlayStation or your Xbox. So there are different ways to capture from your PlayStation or Xbox without a recorder. Like I have the Elgato HD60, that's what I use, that's how I record. But there's different ways that you can capture from Xbox and PlayStation without recording. Like PlayStation has a screen share where you guys can turn it on and capture that from your PC, but it is going to be delayed and not very good. The best way to capture from PlayStation or Xbox is to use a capture card, something like the HD60. Let me show you guys what that looks like. There's one that plugs into the PC if you're going from a PC to another PC, and there's one that plugs in and you can plug in your Xbox or PlayStation from it. How you guys make a new scene. So new scene right here, you guys are going to want to add that. So I just made a new scene. You guys can see I already have this stinger, is what it's called. You guys can add those with add transition. You guys go down to stinger. You guys can even add like ones that you guys can have transparent. So there's your new stinger. You guys have to have a file to throw in there to have something like that go down. And any audio with that stinger is going to transfer into the stream. They'll be able to hear that audio. So that's one thing too. When you guys do transfer, if you have any audio on that, it's going to transfer that audio into the stream. So this right here, like the be right back, the starting soon that I have, all of that stuff is from a theme. So you guys want to probably get set up and get your own theme. You guys can get them for free or you guys can buy some. There's the themes page right here where you guys can see all of the themes. I would click on a theme. All you guys have to do is click on it and press install overlay. It's going to automatically transfer into your themes. Everything's going to reset, so don't get anything done until you guys get yourself a theme. Once you guys got yourself a theme, then you guys go on to figure out who subscribed, whatever. This little box right here is your alert box. What does it say? Live box. So this is going to tell you guys who subscribed, who followed. It's going to tell you who donated, all of that good stuff right there. There's also live actions right here. Like I have a spinning wheel, you guys can spin the wheel. There's a lot of different stuff you guys can throw in there, credits that I don't do, stream labels. Or right here, I have this bot downloaded. I have the cloud bot right here. I can host giveaways on it. I can do points for viewers and everything. That is what the cloud bot is, and you guys can disable it or enable it onto it. Easy as that. Now let's figure out how we're actually going to go live. So let's go down here to the settings and we're going to go down to the stream. So in order to go live, you guys are going to need a stream key, which you guys can find on Twitch or Xbox. If you guys don't know how to find your stream key, you guys are on Twitch, just go over to your Twitch, go over to your page. They are pretty easy to find. You're going to go down to, let's see, create a dashboard, and down to stream. I'm pretty sure that is how you guys get to it on Twitch. On YouTube it's a little bit different because they do have a different dashboard on YouTube now. But let me just show you guys the YouTube Studio beta. And you guys are going to want to go to live stream now. I'm pretty sure it's going to be right in this area down here. There's your stream key. So you're going to click reveal, copy that, get that over here to the stream key. You're going to pick whether you got it from Twitch or YouTube, and easy as that, guys. You guys can get in there. Mixer is also one that's growing, so that is the two big ones. And how to get your stream key. Throw your stream key in, easy as that. Let's go down to a couple of things that are going to get more into detail. So the video bitrate, you guys are going to want this anywhere between 3,000 up to 6,000. Generally, you guys can have more or less depending on how good your PC is. So the lower the bit rate, the worse the quality. The higher the bit rate, the higher the quality. you guys are going to have different ways. So there's the software times 264 and there's the NVENC. So depending on if your computer is lagging, let's say you go into your task manager, right? And let's say your computer starts lagging because the memory or the CPU, these wears more on the CPU and one of these wears more on the memory, which is basically the difference. You guys can look these up, and if you guys are having problems with that, switch to the other one. Easy as that, guys. That is how you guys are going to get your stream key in, and then from there it's easy as just pressing go live. You have your stream key. It's when you guys go live on YouTube, they have a dashboard for you. In fact, they have a brand new dashboard you guys can see. But this is the dashboard I use. It tells you guys how many people are watching. It does not tell you how many likes, which kind of sucks, but it tells you how many people are chatting. It tells you your stream health, so if your stream is having some problems, it's going to tell you there. It's also going to tell you in StreamLabs OBS down below. This little alert right here will tell you if you're having any problems, losing frames or anything like that. So you guys can set it up so that you guys do have the messages all come through here. Most of you guys are streaming from your PC with the audio everything's coming out of one headphone. So you guys want to come over to your speaker/headphone Real Talk Audio. If you guys do not see that, you guys are going to want to add an audio output capture device. So easy as that. And you should be able to see this here. We're going to go down to the properties and we're going to select the headphone that you guys are currently hearing anything out of. So if you guys hear the game off of one of these, make sure you guys select that. So you guys are going to get that selected, and you guys should be able to see this bar come up. As soon as you guys do select it, that bar is going to let you know. The red being something that is really loud to the people that are listening, yellow being something that's kind of loud, and green being it's not so loud. And obviously the higher you guys put that, the more they're going to hear. It's better for you guys to do some test streams and see how different levels of things sit. So that is how you guys get the audio set up. Now we're going to want to set up the on-screen stuff. So stuff like the donations, the chat box. I have all of this here. So there's the chat box. You guys can add all of this if you guys press plus. It has it all right here. There's the alert box, and it'll give you a box that you guys can throw up on screen. I have a few of these things here already, but I'll just show you guys. You guys can put it up on screen. You guys can make it bigger. You guys can make it smaller. You guys can stretch it. If you guys, I think, put like shift, you stretch it. If you guys press alt, it cuts it. So it just like cuts it off. So a lot of things you guys can do with that. And let's see, what are some of the other essential things we need? There's a spin wheel. There's so many things that we can put on here. It's best just to go through this and kind of take a look at all of the different things. Text, there is browser sources. So with the text in the browser source, that's how I do this thing here. So when I tell you guys I'm getting some new people in here, or if we're having something that we need a countdown, I added a browser source of a 60-minute transition right here that's going to count down. Easy as that, guys. There's a lot of things you guys can do. It's best just to go through and figure all of these out right here. There's images, you guys. Here's a spinning wheel. I'll show you guys that. Image. So I think that's my R right there. The R right in the middle, that is an image. We have the sponsor banner, which I threw up as like a R, and it wiggles. You guys can set different transitions for your image. So my R right here, you guys can see it wiggle every once in a while. Now you guys have your overlay. You guys have everything set up. We want to add our screen. So how we do that is we are going to come over here and do a display capture. We're going to add that source. So this is our screen. This is the screen right behind OBS in here. As you guys can see, that it's just capturing all the way. That's how you guys add that screen. If you guys are adding from the Elgato, you guys are going to want to add that as a video capture device, or if you guys have a different webcam or something like that, that's also going to be a video capture device. So there's a lot of things you guys can add in here, and if you guys want to delete it, it's as easy as that. That is a basic tutorial, guys, on how to stream on StreamLabs OBS. Hopefully this helped you guys out. If you guys have more questions on how to stream on StreamLabs OBS or StreamLabs in general. Make sure you guys hit me up with some questions down below. I will be looking at some of these questions, replying back, or just come into the stream. I stream daily. Come in, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.